Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your face mask if it's too big or too small. Okay, the first thing you want to do is stretch out that elastic if it's too tight. Give it a little tug and hold it for a second and it should stretch out. Once the mask is on your face, you want to press in the nose wire so that it fits around your nose. And there you go. Okay, some of your masks will come with this black cording. And this is to take some of the pressure off of your ears if your mask is too tight. And you can also use it if your mask is too large. So you're going to take your cording and you're going to put the first piece in one loop. And you're going to pull it back behind your head and loop that same piece through the second loop. Okay, you're going to pull it across, make sure it's nice and even on both sides. And then you're just going to loop it behind your head. We'll go back and fix it around the ears later. But you're going to loop it behind your head. And then tie it and adjust it around your ears. Also, if your set did not come with a stretch cord, then you can make it yourself by just taking an old t-shirt and cutting out a strip, a thin strip across the bottom of it, and then pulling and stretching out that fabric until it forms into an even thinner piece. And that's what this is here. It's just a stretched out piece of fabric that I cut from an old t-shirt. All right, so now I'm going to show you what you need to do in the case that your mask is too big. So we're going to use that same method that we used previously when the mask was too tight. We're going to loop it through one piece of elastic on one side, and then we're going to drag it behind our head and loop it through the other side. And here's just a quick and easy way that I like to wrap my head wraps. It's not perfect, and I never really do the same thing twice. I like to tie it around my head like so and twist it here. And then after that, I just start winging it. So here I'm doing a lot of rolling and tucking. So we're rolling it, making sure that the sequence is still on the outer layer. And I'm just finding different spots that look like they need to be filled in and just rolling and twisting. But there's a million videos on here how to correctly wrap a head wrap. And I suggest you watch them if you're really curious, because like I said, I'm not the best at this. I just do what feels best for me. And there you have it. If you like this face mask and head wrap set, you can go over to my website, zamgooden.com, and purchase one. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment box below. Peace.